Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15fd0096ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15fd0096ns has a cracked screen, you're likely experiencing difficulty seeing your display properly. This issue can arise from accidental drops or impacts, and if not addressed promptly, it may lead to further damage, affecting the internal components of your device. It's crucial to tackle this problem before it worsens and compromises your laptop's functionality. For this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a small suction cup, and a replacement screen specific to the HP 15fd0096ns. Ensure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid any mess or additional damage. To begin, make sure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by gently prying open the back cover of your HP 15fd0096ns using the plastic opening tool. Be careful while doing this to avoid damaging the casing. Once you have the back cover off, locate the cracked screen. It's typically held in place by screws along the edges. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place as you'll need them for the new screen. Next, you'll need to disconnect the cables attached to the screen. Gently lift the screen away from the laptop body, being cautious not to pull on any cables too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old screen removed, take your new replacement screen and position it in place. Reconnect the cable securely and ensure that everything is aligned properly. Once connected, replace the screws you previously removed to secure the new screen in place. Finally, carefully place the back cover back onto the device, ensuring that it clicks securely into place. Power on your HP 15fd0096ns to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations on completing the repair. To prevent this kind of damage from happening in the future, consider using a sturdy laptop case or sleeve when transporting your device. Additionally, be mindful of where you place your laptop to avoid accidental drops or impacts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.